What's up, guys? So the topic of today's video is going to be less chasing and more replacing. And I got a message from a guy on Instagram, so let's read it out. Yo, Logan, I've been listening to your podcast recently, and they help a lot. I don't feel like a bitch anymore, so I appreciate that. Good job, bro. And yes, for everyone who doesn't listen to the podcast, go listen to the podcast. I share a lot of great information. And everyone in the comments right now who listens to the podcast, drop a comment if you enjoy it, which I know you guys probably do. I had a question about a girl I'm talking to. She's not putting in effort. When I'm trying to set the date, she says, "Oh, I'll let you know when I'm free. I gotta check." And other stuff like that. Yeah. And girls will say that when they have low interest. If a girl does not tell you, "Hey, sorry, I can't make it this day. How about we reschedule for this day?" Or if a girl says, "I'll let you know when I'm free," or "I'm busy, oh, I got work, I got school, I don't know. My dog died, my house burned down." These are all things girls will say if they have low interest, okay? Because if a girl has high interest and she's actually interested in you, she'll say things like, "Oh, here's my schedule. Here's the days I'm free. Please take me out." Like, literally, she's gonna literally tell you the time she's free so you can take her out, okay? Girls who have low interest are gonna make it harder for you and put up more walls. So she has low interest, and it is what it is. I know I have to walk away, but I don't know if I should say something or just leave her on open or slowly ghost her. So what should I do in this situation? Thanks, man. Keep up the work. Well, in this situation, if she said, "I'll let you know when I'm free," just put a thumbs up on her fucking... Just reply with a thumbs up. That's it. And move on. Walk away. And you have to expect that she's not going to hit you up. She has low interest, dude. Move the fuck on. And less chasing and more replacing, okay? You're chasing this girl, and I can see you like her a lot because you're messaging me about her, and you guys haven't gone out yet. So, dude, seriously, go talk to other girls. Go hang out with girls who are actually interested in you and actually value you and your time. Why would you want to hang out with someone who doesn't value you and isn't really interested in you? So go hang out with a girl who wants to hang out with you, and a girl is actually really interested, she will make time to see you, and I guarantee she will make time to see you. She will move around her schedule, okay? If Lil Uzi hit her up saying, "When are you free to get together?" that bitch will drop work, family, school, just to see someone who's famous, okay? So if she's not doing those things for you, she belongs to the streets.
She belongs to the streets.
So just move the fuck on and go talk to some other girls who are actually interested in you. But another thing for the boys, what would you guys think about if I did a Patreon where I posted more content that, wouldn't be allowed on YouTube or TikTok and shit that would probably get banned right away? And, also in that Patreon, I'd be able to kind of more involve you guys more in depth, set up a podcast with a few of you guys and actually see your guys' faces, make videos there. Also, if I go out to film videos, I'll send you guys the location of where I'm at so you guys can meet up with me and be a part of the videos I make. So let me know what you guys think about that. Also, another thing, maybe just like a monthly drop of like all the new merchandise inside of that Patreon. So let me know what you guys think about that. If I should do a Patreon and post content to the Patreon that would probably not be allowed on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok. I'm not exactly going to say what the contact is, but I guess you guys are just going to have to find out. So let me know what you guys think about that. A lot of guys have been mentioning, dude, make a fucking Patreon. That way you can't get taken down by these fucking communists on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. And I was like, yeah, I think that's probably a good idea. So, it is what it is, right? I have a lot of people who are trying to ban me on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, whatever. So, looking at things in the long-term situation, a Patreon would definitely keep this whole movement steady and afloat, especially if shit hits the fucking fan, okay? If they start banning my shit, a Patreon would extremely be useful, okay? So, let me know what you guys think about that, and, yeah. So, that's it. That's the new plans. Drop it down in the comments if you guys think that'd be epic or not. And, yeah, I'll see you guys next time.